Hello everyone, in front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. First open your phone dialer, then go to keypad, and let's start with the first code, very short one, *#06#. And as you can see here, you've got device information, so both email numbers along with serial number. So you can smoothly read them after entering this code. Tap on OK to exit. And then another code that you can use here is *##426 *##. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can see status and events. Actually, we do not have service here, don't know why. However, if you have the stable network connection, you will be able to see everything here, and then you can enroll advanced view by tapping on the switcher. Let me go back. Another code that you can use on your Honor is *##225 ###. And here we've got the calendar info, so all upcoming events from any calendar that you have would be displayed right here. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.